Gulliver's Travels, Chapter 1, The Ship. My name is Dr. Lemuel Gulliver. I live in London with my wife Mary and our 2 children. Many of my patients are poor and can't pay me, so I don't have a lot of money. One day, a friend comes to my house. "Come and work on my ship, Lemuel. You can get a lot of money," the friend says. "That's a good idea. I need money for my family," I say. This is the story of my strange adventures at sea. Our ship leaves England on May 4th, 1699. We travel to the East Indies. The East Indies are islands in the Indian Ocean. After a few months at sea, there's a terrible storm. We're very scared. "I can't control the ship," a sailor says. "Oh no, look, a big rock," another sailor says. "Quick, Dr. Gulliver, help us with a boat. We're leaving the ship," another sailor says. We get into the boat. We're in the boat for an hour. Suddenly, our boat hits a rock and we fall into the sea. I try to swim, but the storm is very bad and it's difficult. I can't see the other sailors. I never see them again. I'm very tired and it's difficult to swim. Suddenly, I see an island. Am I imagining this, I think? I look again. Yes, the island is there. I swim to the island. Soon my feet are on the ground. I can stand. I can walk to that island, I think. I walk slowly. Finally, I get to the island. I'm tired and weak. I fall on the ground and sleep.